In this demo video, I'm going to show you an example of how Gradial agents make the process of launching a campaign essentially instantaneous for marketers. So I'm going to go ahead and start with this creative brief, the type of input a marketer is typically starting a campaign with, where they have a messaging strategy, an audiences, an objective, and then there's a bunch of assets that they need, from audience creation to page creation to content updates for new promos, to emails that they need to send out as well. And this is typically a production process that can take weeks or months in effort before that campaign is ready to go live. So in Gradial, I've gone ahead and uploaded that campaign strategy document into the Gradial platform, and it's extracted the needed campaign tasks for me directly out of that strategy brief. Now I have a set of tasks in Gradial, and I can actually have Gradial agents go and execute those tasks, including building a new product page and creating an email, as well as a couple of other items. All I have to do is click Run Batch and kick off that process. So you can see here, Gradial's gone ahead and completed each of those tasks for me, and the agents have gone and produced output for emails, web pages, and audiences so that I can actually go live with this campaign right here. So first and foremost, Gradial's gone and created a new Urban Professionals audience segment for me. I can go connect any agents or MCP servers into the Gradial ecosystem. And so I'm using a custom MCP here to create that audience. It's gone and built me a promo email to send out to that audience, articulating that there's now like a 20% off promo live for the fall. It's also gone and updated my homepage hero and promo banner to reflect that 20% off promotion that's running. And it's gone and created a new product page for me for the new Colby 12 product that I'm going and launching as part of this new fall campaign. And it's even run a QA report for me that I can go and instantly fix any issues or accessibility problems that might arise before I go live. So as a marketer, I've started with a creative brief, and in just a matter of minutes, I have all of the assets I need executed for me so that I can go live with this campaign instantly.